building open social apps session. Okay, so a few of you. So this is just a few other environments where to deploy your open social applications. Okay, so the web is better when it's social. That was one of the reasons for building open social. Yeah, all right. Whether it's movies, rating movies and all that, it's much better to do that with your friends. Like imagine what you could do with stocks if you had some social information about them. And at Google itself has lots of services, and each of them could be made better if they were social. So for example, Google Docs is all about collaboration. That's a very social activity. The people you are collaborating with on documents, maybe you would call them more colleagues than friends, but still there's a link here, and a link that you could take advantage of in software. Wave is a very good example. So Wave is about people collaborating together, and as they explained, you can run open social application in the Wave context. So they give you this so-called friends, and it's not like the semantics of friends really depend on the application. Yeah, so in Reader is actually already social. Today you can share your shared items and stuff that you want to share with your friends. Communication is very social. So Google Talk, Gmail, and Wave. Wave is a very good example of putting all that together. Same thing for YouTube. Every time you favorite one of these YouTube videos, you want to share that with your friends, and there's actually some kind of YouTube friends in there. Oh, thanks very much. So there's, but in addition to these social graphs that are very explicit about the fact that I want to collaborate with, I don't know, Chris and Arne on that document. This is very explicit. There are also some implicit social contacts or social relationships that are implicit in the way we're using tools, but not necessarily expressed as saying these are my friends. And here Google Contacts is a good idea. Is a good example of that. Google Profiles. Google Profiles is a new offering by Google. I don't know if you saw that. You can create a profile for yourself, link it with your Picasa account, say what your places are, what you want to share. I can show you mine. And ideally, this should surface pretty well when you do a search on your name. So this is an example.